a London session reporting on gold, and you see we are on a daily time frame. Like I always say, the daily time frame gives you a clear directional bias, and I do like to get in touch with the reality of the market, especially when it has to do with daily time frame analysis. And this is my daily supply roof, and this is sorry, my SR is my daily ascending trend line. Support become resistance and breakout structure, and we have series of RS resistance become support and breakout structure, and we have another RS resistance become support and breakout structure, and we have another RS, and we have another RS here. And when you look back to your line chart, you see how price reacted there on the sniper entry. So what that means in the future is if we break out from there, that's a strong buy confirmation if we do so in the future. If we do so in the future, that will be a strong buy confirmation. So we'll be watching it to see what price does. Then that's my temporary supply roof on daily. And I have a couple of ascending trend line, ATL. ATL stands for ascending trend line, acting as dynamic support, ATL1, ATL2. And if you look critically, you will see that the structure of the market has been consistent with what it's doing. These are first SR support become resistance and breakout structure in the month of May. We'll have another one, support become resistance on breakout structure in June, and we had a breakout structure and followed by a retest here, which is a daily RT slash um, RT slash RS. After breakout structure, it becomes a resistance structure, and we say we have sold down and peak liquidity on another breakout structure connecting from here. You see, we had a strong breakout structure at this level. So we have here as our ROS, we have here as our RS, breakout RS level makes here our SR and RT. That's not just ordinary SR, that's SRRT, but let me save time. And when price return here, it confirmed that that RT SR was true. And that is why you have seen a buying on this floor. And if you look at it again from our daily candle close, we have a strong support structure here in the month of June, and price came back and reacted there, and you have seen 73.70 creating a strong dynamic support on the horizontal support structure, which I will call HTL, horizontal trend line. So on that horizontal trend line, you have seen that 73.70.69 have provided a buy impetus, and I'm going to call that my demand floor. That demand floor is key and critical in the future. A break below that structure is a sell confirmation. So if we, by virtue of anything, and we break out from that structure, we are selling. So if we break out from here, we sell down, and we'll come down here again. Yes, and it's all to be worthy of note to see that a breakout from that structure will bring us into this zone, which also aligns with May demand floor. So the May demand floor will be critical to us to watch. So we're going to watch May demand floor as another key area. And we're going to watch it to see. It's not a complete confirmation, but we'll look at the trend speed. We'll look at the trend speed, look at the trend pattern, and see if there are other descending trend line pattern or structure accompanying the bearish drop. If there is, then we'll wait to see if we're going to pay a critical consideration to 4 hours or 3 hours to contest with a daily time frame structure. But at the moment, this is what you have. So all we are doing here is to show you a graphical representation of buying and selling. And the strategy has stood firmly. And you see what happened here. This is a descending trend line, DTL. So this is a descending trend line, DTL. And RS1, RS2, break of RS, price returns here as SR. And last return on a double confluence, a descending trend line meet a horizontal support structure, and you have seen that at that level we have seen buyers pick up from there. And one thing to note on a daily time frame is that we have a strong daily time frame close from the roof, which is also critical at the moment, and a lot of traders are not seeing it, and they could pay for the price for not seeing that. If they don't see it, they could pay for the price as the market is retracing after we have had here a daily this is a daily RS level resistance becomes support and breaker structure. And we have another. So after we broke that structure, we turn here to our SRRT. That is RT slash SR as a retest, and as well support become resistance and breaker structure. And when we broke the structure, it turned price into resistance, and we have seen series of RS level played out accurately based on what price has done there. And you see market came, broke the structure, came back, picked liquidity from the roof, which is our supply roof, and we have seen what price did there. And now the market returns back today on a daily resistance, and you see what price did there. The moment it got there, it got rejected on a daily time frame, and you are seeing that rejection. And for us to continue to have a bullish move, we need a 4 hours close above the structure. So it's important to know that trading is all about 100% probability, and whatever position you are taking, you need to guide yourself. Now you see we're being resisted by daily structure. Look at it here. We have here RS1, we have here RS2. Those two RS level has rejected the daily candle, and now I will go back to 4 hours to scale to see if we have a 4 hours close above this structure. A 4 hours close above that structure will show that we will continue in the upward direction. My aim is to see price head into 39. Yes, 39 is my ideal zone where I expect to see some kind of a sell, and at this level that will also represent a sell in this level. So I'm looking at a sell at 30 and 39. So this is the level you are expecting for now. This is daily time frame. Bye bye.